Lily Wrap. Versatile, beautiful, reusable. When you have a special occasion arrive, it doesn't matter the size or shape of your gift. With a range of designs and this season's latest colors and patterns, your Lily Wrap can be the perfect accessory to any present. Simply set your item in the center of your wrap and pull the ties upwards to cover the item. Cinch the ribbons together at the top to tighten. The last, but most important step, to give your gift that finishing touch, use the remaining ribbon to tie a beautiful bow, just as simple as if you were tying your shoelace. But the very best part, it's 100% reusable. Because of Lily Wrap's unique, stretchable fabric, it will last for multiple uses, much more than your standard plastic or paper gift bags. And with stylish and professional looking results each and every time, it truly becomes a gift in itself. Lily Wrap. Versatile, beautiful, reusable.